Hi, in the last video we added videos to your MPG-generated pages. In this video, we will be adding maps using Google API. Let's start by generating the Google Maps API key. Navigate to Google Maps Platform API Keys documentation. You can find the link in the description of the video. Here you can read the instructions in the article and click on Go to the Credentials page. You can select the pre-existing project or click on Create a new project. Enter the project name and click Create. Click on Create Credentials and select API. Your API is generated. You can copy the key using the Copy button. Next, click on the Restrict key. Restricting API keys adds security to your application by ensuring only authorized requests are made with your API key. We strongly recommend that you follow the instructions on Google Maps Platform API Keys documentation to set restrictions for your API keys. Then go to your page and click on Edit from the top bar. We are using Divi Builder in this example. You can use any page builder. Next, we are going to add a code snippet to our page. Refer to the JSFiddle URL in the video description and copy the snippet. We have to take care of 4 main variables. Make sure the shortcode names of longitude and latitude are the same as the ones in the source file and they have valid values in their column. Next, you can set the default zoom value for the map. Set this as per your need and this can be changed anytime. Insert your API key here. Next, you can customize your container here. You can add classes, shadows, borders, and many styles as per need. Once you are done, copy and paste the code snippet to the page. Double-check the values and click on Save. You are done. Go to your generated URLs to see how to look. You can change its height and default zoom value if needed. Like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive useful tips in the future. If you have any question, leave a comment below or contact our support team. In the next video, we will learn how to add custom APIs to your MPG-generated pages.